In this video, you will learn how to get clean HDMI output from Nikon D5600 DSLR camera and get the HDMI output at the maximum possible resolution. When you connect the Nikon 5600 to a computer for streaming, you might see an information overlay like this. It means that the camera is sending non-clean output through the HDMI cable. You can clean up the overlay by simply pressing the info button multiple times until the overlays are no longer visible. Some overlays like no memory card errors are not cleanable and you need to have a memory card inserted to avoid such an overlay. Now, to get the maximum resolution possible for the D5600 through the HDMI cable, go to Menu, open Setup menu, scroll down to HDMI which is located on the third page and open Output Resolution to select the resolution. If the resolution is set to auto or anything less than Full HD, set this to 1080p. Remember to use the progressive 1080 and not interlaced 1080 because the latter is better for displaying footage on TVs. Also, keep in mind that for many apps, you need to turn on HD in video settings to use the Full HD video that is coming through the HDMI cable. I hope this video helped you to get clean HDMI in the highest resolution possible from Nikon D5600. Thank you for watching this video. Have a happy day.